around a cable. 30k. Hang on a minute. Look. Can't see anything. It hurts your face, it hurts your eyes. Fun time. Hi, I am at Box End. It is midweek and the weather is not ideal, but this is what I live for. I actually prefer wakeboarding in bad conditions because generally there's not as many people on the cable. So yes, I kind of prefer that. And it has been raining, and usually once the rain has passed, the lake is glassy. So I'm really hoping that when I get there, it's a bit windy now, and I think the more rain is coming, but I have high hopes that it will be nice and flat in imminently. There you go. So yeah, I've got the Aries with me, hot water and lemon as always. So yeah, and I did not want to ride today. I was at home and just literally couldn't be bothered. I've ridden once since Plastic Playground in the Worlds. I've been very busy this summer. I don't know where the summer's gone. So yes, I haven't been at the lakes. So this is my first time riding at Box End since before the Worlds, actually. Yeah, so it took a lot to get out here, but if you watch to the end, I haven't been out yet, but I'm sure, as always, whenever I don't want to go out and ride, I force myself to go out because I know that without a doubt, I will come in and I will be frothing. I'll be so stoked that I went out. I would have done something new or just got laps under my belt that are nice and glassy, or I've seen the sunset, maybe not tonight, but I will always be stoked. I'll be so stoked that I went out. So go out. Right, so this is the question. Do we go shorty or full suit? I'm not sure. Shorty, full suit. So you can see it's really grey, but the lake is pretty flat. Excited! First time I've fallen into the GoPro in my mouth though. There you go. There you go. Ah! bad riding in the rain. It's so nice, but also it like really hurts your face. So, yeah. Okay. Fun ride though. So there you go. A few laps down at Box on a midweek evening on a school night. The weather, I mean, you can see it hasn't changed much. Actually, it's got worse since I got here. I honestly thought that the weather had passed and it was going to deliver a nice golden evening with glass, but it did not. The rain was coming down. It was probably coming straight down, but when you're on a cable, as I did say when I was riding around, however, it might not have been able to be heard because it was quite crazy out there. When you go around the cable and you're going at speed, so you're going at 30k or about 21 miles an hour roughly, the rain hits you like straight in the face, so you have to like ride around like this. So yeah, it hurts your eyeballs. So you might be cutting to a feature and like rain is just like in your face, so it makes it interesting and more fun, but you know, that's what we like. And it was quiet, so that was good. So I picked the night to ride. Anyway, fun time on the water. You should be able to hit the box to see another video, and there's a little box where you can subscribe and say hi. I love it when you guys comment and say hi, because I'm still really new to this, so it kind of is so exciting at the moment. I hope it stays exciting. So yeah, anyway, get on the water, keep shredding. See you later.